Hi, I'm Becca.
And I'm Isaiah. And here's our presentation of a product that we've developed at NewPencil Incorporated for the iPad.
Okay, so what we've developed here is actually a cover for the iPad that will compete with Apple's actual smart cover. And what it is basically aluminum panels that are laminated between two different kinds of fabric that protect the case. And also they have a unique ability to fold in several different directions. I'm bracing the iPad with the same kind of materials. Basically, when I take the flap and I fold it over the top on the hinges, this geometry is automatically folding into a stand that the iPad can actually stand up on. Now, the motion for actually doing that is actually more like...
You're moving all over.
More like this. Did you get that?
Yeah.
More like that. And then you just simply set the iPad down. Now, it has several positions that it goes into because when these two edges come together, they form one live hinge. And now I can actually take and I can just rotate it into a landscape mode like that, or like that on the other side. I can actually take the bottom geometry, collapse it, kick it off to one side. Now I'm in a low portrait mode, and I can go to a low landscape mode on that side as well as on this side. I can also take and push the geometry together and create a real high portrait mode, and then I can actually create a real high landscape mode in the other direction using the same configuration. How I'm doing that is I actually have a strap here, and if we follow that to the other side, it actually pulls this geometry, the inversion of this geometry, to create the structure. And so I'm using the offset at the top of the case and shortening this strap in order to make this geometry happen. If I unsnap this, I can actually take that and fold it to the back, and it folds flat so that you can actually hold it and walk around. Now there's some other benefits to actually having that be a disengage, so that I can disengage that mechanism, is that the flap actually becomes very pliable, and you can set it up in a number of different ways. I counted 28, and that's when I stopped counting because there's too many of them. So you know, it's a situation where you can engineer the flap to hit several different body positions, including if I was to lay down and I wanted to watch a show like this, I can actually just set it up right here, and I'm in a comfortable position on the couch, and I can watch it in landscape or portrait mode that direction. Also, a nice feature is that if you put this down, it actually fits really, really nicely on your knee if there's no table handy. So is there anything else I should say?
I think that's it.
Okay, so I think that's kind of the gist of it. Thank you for watching.